The FUNMAT Pro 410 user interface is composed of a touchscreen. The main interface of the touchscreen contains a status bar, a navigation bar, and a display area. In the status bar, from left to right, press the lock icon to lock and unlock the front door and top cover of the machine. Press the camera icon to enable and disable the camera. Click the Wire Network Set icon to access and configure the IP address of the wire network. Click the Wireless Network State icon to view and configure the IP address of the wireless network. Press the Remote Printing icon to turn on the Remote Printing Service monitoring and the configuration interface. Click the arrow icon to check the printer working state. Press the U-Disk selection bar to select whichever source you want to use. Press the screen lock icon to lock and unlock the screen. The auxiliary state area displays the current temperature of the different components of the machine. The right column displays the left and right nozzles temperature, as well as the build plate and chamber temperatures. The left column shows the filament box temperature, the material humidity, the liquid coolant temperature, the left and right materials weight. This is the elapsed time. This is the estimated remaining time. The middle part is the completed progress. Click the Open File icon to open the G-code files list and choose the file you want to print. Then click the Open icon to load the file. Press the extension button to open and close the setting interface for preheating and heat maintaining. On top of the setting interface are the loaded materials of both nozzles. To adjust the time, use the sliding bar plus minus and then click Change Time to bring the new setting into effect. Besides prints, the navigation bar also includes the printer's functions of tune, axis, material, and system. Click the tune icon to enter the interface used to tune the printing related parameters. It includes the temperature of left and right nozzles, build plate temperature, chamber temp, temperature of the filament box, print speed, material flow, speed of left and right fans. After choosing the right parameters, press the set button to complete the operation. Next is the axis icon. It is used to manually operate the build plate and printing head, extrude and retract filament. You can manually move X, Y, Z or E motors. Besides, you can do Home XYZ, Home XY and Home Z as well. Press the material icon to enter the interface for material setting, material loading, unloading, manual automatic leveling and calibration, and material database management. Click the nozzle icon to switch and select the desired nozzle. Choose the right material in the material menu as shown in the video. Here you can also set the nozzle temperature based on the selected material. Set the target temperature command by clicking Set Temp. If you want to load or unload material, you can click the Load or Unload icon and follow the instructions to complete all the steps. The icon A is the Auto Leveling and Calibration button. The icon M is the Manual Leveling and Calibration button. Press the Material Database Management button to enter the Material Database Management interface. Note that each material item is editable. Last but not least, press the System interface to access the system settings, including the software upgrade and the firmware operation. OS version means the operating system version. SW version means the software version. FW version means the firmware version. Here are the date and time of the system, which you can edit as well. Listen after start, set to automatically allow the remote access after the system is restarted. Wi-Fi auto reconnect. The system will automatically connect to the last Wi-Fi network after restart. Developer mode to customize the sending G-code and enable logo for fault diagnosis. USB print enabled, print in direct connection with the USB serial port. For more information, please refer to the user manual.